Hello friends, today we're going to talk about the evolution of online bookkeeping. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. How modern businesses can streamline financial processes in today's fast-paced era. Online bookkeeping has revolutionized the financial management of modern businesses. Transitioning to solutions provides precision and efficiency in financial processes for companies ranging from startups to long-standing enterprises. This advancement in bookkeeping practices enables organizations to streamline their operations by leveraging data-driven decision-making and real-time insights. Companies that embrace bookkeeping services can enhance their accounting procedures, conduct thorough financial analysis, and fortify their tax planning strategies. To achieve success, let's explore how contemporary businesses are utilizing bookkeeping methods. Financial analysis and reporting tools for modern businesses. In order to help modern businesses make decisions based on data, it is essential to have financial analysis and reporting tools. These tools, which provide insights into the well-being of a company, are components of online accounting packages. Companies can track performance indicators, generate reports, and conduct forecasting for strategic planning using advanced software. Enterprises can enhance efficiency by monitoring cash flow, identifying trends, and analyzing profitability ratios through financial analysis tools. By integrating these tools into their accounting services, businesses can enhance efficiency and competitiveness in the market. To thrive in today's dynamic business landscape, it is crucial to have access to analysis and reporting capabilities for continued growth and sustainability. So folks, are you ready to turn your business dreams into reality? Our comprehensive course, Step-by-Step Guide to Starting Your Own Business, is designed to help you navigate the journey with confidence. Whether you are just brainstorming ideas or ready to launch, this guide provides practical insights and actionable steps for every stage of your entrepreneurial journey. Visit our website to learn more and start your adventure today. Your future business is just a click away. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Your support helps us bring more valuable insights to you promptly. Thank you for being a part of our community.